This is Cindy G, and in this video we are assembling the Chick box card. So it's a real simple box card. We just have these. So this piece here, which is the eggshell, is the base. It has two inserts. I'm just folding everything on the score lines. It's gonna just go like this. And I think before I put my face on, I am gonna go ahead and put my inserts in, just because the egg, and so either do that or maybe hold it like this, put it together like this, so you can see where you want your face pieces to be. I think maybe that's what I'll do. The eyes have two pieces. To make a small white spot in them. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that together. There are also two pink pieces for the cheeks. For the front and the back, because there's two inserts, the piece with the wings is your back insert piece. The piece without the wings and the little tuft of hair, that's your front. So I just want to move these around a little bit, see where I want them to be. There we go. I think I like that. And then so you can see this is very quick and simple. Wasn't quite where I wanted that one. There we are. I am missing a leaf. It's here on my green. I haven't pulled it out of my green sheet yet. Okay. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put my inserts in. We're going to do these how I do them all. I'm going to put it here on my desk so that I know everything's level across the bottom. This is my side tab, so I put this piece right up against the edge where the side tab starts. I'm going to put glue on this. I'm just going to glue it directly to that. And then when you open it, fold it back and take your next layer, and you're going to put it right there where that starts, but your card's has got to fold over. Again, I'm going to stand it up so I know everything's level across the bottom. Gonna hold this back and put some glue just on the tab. And glue that down. With this one, the side tabs are over here, so you're just gonna fold it over to catch these just like that. So just put glue on your two tabs. My pieces are kind of sticking together because my mat was extra tacky. So you just want to make sure your pieces stay lined up here across the bottom, and then fold that over and catch those two pieces. We can go ahead and close it up. Pull this back and forth. Find my I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here on the bottom of my leaf and just kind of glue that on. And I want some foam dots for my flower. There we are. Just put my pen in there. And I think I want some foam dots also for my feet. You just want to make sure they don't go over your straight edge on the bottom. But if you use them to you can use them to kind of hide that your edge here is straight. And there, she was very quick and simple. She's the Chick box card. Thank you for joining me.